Oh, look at it. He got a game. Look, Ryan got a game. Wow.
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors. Dad, I found a secret portal to Ryan's house.
Really? Where?
On the slide.
Oh, it's on the slide?
Yeah.
How are we getting up there? Oh, here you go. Here's a walkway for Daddy. Are you sure? There's a secret doorway to Ryan's house? Whoa. Baby step, hang on, baby step. Whoa. Whoa, baby step. Whoa. Okay, this way, Tiger?
Let me learn some ninja skills.
Oh, you got ninja skill? Wow, you got ninja skill. Look at that.
Let me see this.
Look at that. Tiger has ninja skill, kids. Whoa. All right, show Daddy where's it at, Tiger. I'll follow you. I'll follow you. Go. That's it? That's scary. Oh. Oh, wow.
Here.
That here?
Here.
Oh, right here? Okay. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Yep, we're here.
We're here. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait, what's that sound?
Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. What? We're in the restroom? How we get in the restroom?
Yeah, this is Ryan's house.
This is Ryan's restroom. You got a shower too? Wow. Let's open it quietly. Let's open it quietly. Quietly, okay? Quiet. Shh. Might be pimps my home. Okay, go. All right. We made it. Whoa, what is this? Wow, Ryan's bedroom. This is Ryan's bedroom? Baby Steph, how you doing here? He's chilling. Whoa, let's go. Whoa, look at Ryan got a big painting. Wow, that's awesome. Wow, look at Ryan got a big kitchen too. Whoa, look at that, Tiger.
Wow.
Whoa, Baby Steph, how you get Ryan's laser blaster? Wow, look at his kitchen. Wow, this is awesome, Tiger.
Wow.
What are you eating?
I'm making some soup.
Making soup? Oh wow, Tiger's making soup at Ryan's house. Open the refrigerator. What's in the refrigerator? Let's see what's in the refrigerator. Come on. Okay, let's see.
And
Oh, a lot of water. Wow.
come over here.
Wow. Wait.
Look, Dad, what is this?
Wow. No. Let's go. Don't touch his water. That's Ryan's water.
And that's just
Wow.
soup.
Yeah. Let's go upstairs, Mom. Let's go upstairs.
What's in here? Oh.
Let's go upstairs, Mom. Let's go upstairs.
Wow, let's go upstairs.
Let's check it out. Ryan's house is huge, guys. Wow. Let's follow Tiger upstairs.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that painting. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Wow. This is a big room.
Bye, Dad.
Tiger, where you at? Where you go, Tiger? Where you go, Baby Steph? Hi, Baby Steph. How you doing? Oh, where's Big Brother? I don't see Big Brother. Where'd he go? Where? I don't see him. There he is.
You want to know something, Dad?
What?
I went through here, then magic went through here.
Wow.
Because there's a wall there.
Yeah, let's go. Wow, that's a nice room. Wow. Yeah.
Hey, brother.
Whoa, what is this? What's this door here? Let's check the door here. Yeah. Oh, it's locked. Huh? Ryan locked
Wait,
it.
I think this is a secret room.
No, Ryan locked it. Wow, look at the kitchen. Wow, Tiger. Let's see what's in the refrigerator. Let's see what's in the refrigerator, Tiger.
Please be food. Wash your fingers.
Okay. It is more water. Wow, look at the kitchen. Look at that big cooker.
Dad, how many water does he need?
You need a lot of water.
Ooh, ice.
Oh, don't play with ice, Tiger.
Hi,
Hi, Baby Steph.
Hi.
Hi, Baby Steph. Hi, Baby Steph. Oh, ice. Oh, it's cold, Tiger. Come on, check it out. Whoa! Look at it. Whoa, look at it. He got a game. Look, Ryan got a game.
Wait, I
Wow. What is it? This is football. Right there's the ball.
But it's not gonna get it.
Go get it, Ty, get it. You got it. Wow, there's a big. Oh, we got a secret door here, Tiger. Look. Tiger, look at this door. Secret door here. Tiger. Oh, you got to. Oh, this is where you hang out. Look, Tiger. This is where you play tennis, Tiger. Look. Look, I found Ryan's tennis rack. See? Come here, check it out. See? Ryan's tennis rack right there. Look, that's his.
Wow.
Right there, his tennis rack. See it?
I know.
Hold it. I see it. That's a good one.
Which one?
Right there, tennis racket. Right there. Yeah. Wow, look at that. We found Ryan's tennis racket. Wow. Let's see, swing. Swing. Yes, that's how you swing. Wow, okay. Oh, Ryan's backpack. That's Ryan's backpack.
Wow, he's a lot of notebooks.
That is the lunch. That's his look. That's Ryan's backpack and his lunch pail and stuff. Look. See, Ryan?
I can't put it back.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. Whoa.
I still have the ice.
What you got ice for? Whoa, what's in the secret box up there, Tiger? What's in the secret box? I wonder what's in there. Oh, yeah, no. What is in here? Let's open it, Tiger. Let's see what's inside of it.
But how do we open it?
Open it. What's in it? Is it heavy?
No, but it is light.
Let's see. Oh, what is that? Oh, baby chef, you found Ryan's.
Wait, what's in here? Another mystery.
Okay, kids, we're at Ryan's pants room, master bedroom. This is how big their master bedroom is. Look at that. Wow.
Wow. Then we go next room.
Let's check out the next room.
Wow.
Wow, this is the entertainment room.
Dad.
Wow, they got gender. Wow. No, don't play. Come on, Ryan, get mad. Ryan might know that you were here.
Smell.
Yeah. Wow, look at. Oh, look.
Wait, I heard something.
What?
I heard something.
Let's go. We gotta go. Go. No. That's the wrong way.